Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to file a Geico insurance claim online in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is to visit Geico's online platform. That's the Geico website. So visit the Geico website, and then you're going to click on claims and then file a claim. Next, you're going to select the type of claim. So go ahead and select the type of claim that you want to file. It could be an auto claim, home claim, or life claim. Go ahead and select the one that you want to file, and then you're going to need to enter the claim information. So you're going to need information such as the date of the incident and a description of what exactly happened. Next, you're going to need to upload supporting documents such as photo of the damage and repair estimates. Once that's done, just submit the claim and wait for a claim adjuster to contact you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a Geico insurance claim online in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.